Hi everyone, this is Sudipti. Today my topic is travel management application, the subject of automata theory. And I have developed a travel management application where user or a customer can rent bikes on certain fares to some places. They can ask some question or even say what they like in order to rent a bike. And I have taken some sample sentences. I have done this coding in programming language of Python. And the first sentence I have taken for sample is I want a bike or I need a bike and I need to book a bike. I want to go California. Do you need to go out? Can you book me a bike? What is the fare to go California? I prefer bike. I prefer bike to go anywhere. Does this bike go to California? I need you to book me a bike. Book a bike. Can I book a bike to go California? Do you prefer a bike to go anywhere? I want to book a bike for you. These are the 15 sentences I have taken for the travel management application where user can ask questions. And second step is like I have taken context-free grammar CFG for these sentences. And these are the developed documentation I have done. And in the third step, I have done it for like, I have taken this CFG and convert it into CNF. This is how I have done conversion for CFG to into CNF. And the next step would be like, I have taken some valid sentences, those 15 sentences. And the first one will be, I want a bike. So I have done like this. The second one is, I need a bike. And the third one is, I need to book a bike. If these sentences is asked by a customer, then I have to, in the coding part, I need to enter this sentence and it will give S or whether it is an invalid sentence or else invalid sentence. And the fourth one is, I want to go California. And the fifth sentence will be, do you need to go somewhere? And the sixth sentence I have taken for sample is, can you book me a bike? And the seventh one will be, what is the fare to go California? And the eighth one is, I prefer bike. And the ninth one is, I prefer bike to go anywhere. And next one is, does this bike go to California? And I need you to book me a bike. And next one is, book a bike. And can I book a bike to go California? Do you prefer a bike to go anywhere? And the last sentence would be, I want to book a bike for you. Likewise, I have taken some valid sentences and those are 15 sentences. And I have taken some invalid sentences. If I enter these invalid sentences, then then output will be like yes or no. If I enter valid sentence, then it would return as S. If I enter invalid sentence, it would return as an answer no. And coming to the invalid sentences, I have taken 3 sentences, and the first one will be bike me. This is the first invalid sentence, and second one is book go. This is how I have taken CFG for the sentences and I have converted into CNF. And third one will be California me. The sample, I have taken 3 invalid sentences, and coming to this is the code in Python I have developed. I have taken two kernel cells And the first one will be like import system, import NLTK module, and from this import WordNet limitizer. And this is how I have developed the code. And in this grammar file, I have developed a grammar.txt file. And after running the code, I have to get output as an enter a sentence, and then I need to enter a sentence. If it is valid, I can get yes. If it is invalid, no. This is how I have written my code. And this is the sample output. I have taken a screenshot and attached it. I need a bike. Yes, me, bike. If it is invalid, no. And coming to this, yeah, this is the Anaconda Gator, and I'm launching my Jupyter notebook. After opening this, initially we have to upload grammar what we have developed and the Python code. And now I am opening my Python code. This is my Python code to kernel cells. And first, I'm taking kernel, click on kernel, restart and run all. Start and run all. See, I have got enter a sentence. Now I need to I'm entering one valid sentence. I want a bike. Yeah. Good. I'm taking one valid sentence. Copy paste. Kernel, restart and run all. Enter. Yeah, if it is a valid sentence, I got yes. Likewise, I'm taking another one. Do you prefer a bike to go anywhere? Command C and kernel, restart and run all. Got enter a sentence. Command V. I'm just removing this and enter. Yeah, if it is valid, I got yes. Likewise, I'm taking other one. Can I book a bike to go California? And see, and kernel, restart and run all, restart and run all. Enter a sentence, command V. I'm just removing this, enter. Yes, I got yes. And likewise, I'm taking another sample. I need you to book me a bike. And see this, kernel, restart and run all, restart and run all. To a sentence, command V. I'm just removing this, enter. Yeah, I got yes. And another, I'll show you other sample. I prefer bike to go anywhere. Copy this and kernel, restart and run all, restart and run all. Removing this, enter. Yeah, I got yes. Another one I'll show you. What is the fare to go California? These are all the valid sentences, so I'm getting the output as an S. Kernel, restart and run all, restart and run all. Is a fare to go California? Yes. Yeah. And I'll show you the other one. Do you need to go somewhere? Kernel, restart and run all, restart and run all. Enter a sentence, command V, and yeah, I got yes. This is how This is the code I have developed for the 15 sample sentences of valid sentences. Yeah, I'll show you other valid sentence. I need to book a bike and see kernel restart and run all. Enter a sentence. I need to book a bike. Yes. And for sample, I'll show you the invalid sentence. These are the 15 valid sentences. For sample, I am taking the invalid sentence first one. Kernel, restart and run all. Restart and run all. Enter a sentence. And we bike me. Answer no. So this is how, if we enter invalid sentences, no, I have taken for sample 3 invalid sentences. So other one will be book go. Kernel, restart and run all. Restart and run all. Enter a sentence, command V. Book go. Enter a sentence, no. And the third one will be California me. Kernel, restart and run all. Restart and run all cells. Enter a sentence, California me. Enter no. So this is how I have developed a travel management application. So yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.